Are you looking for a solution to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles and improve your overall pelvic health? Introducing Kegel8 Ultra 20 V2, a clinically proven device that targets your pelvic floor with precision, helping even the weakest of muscles regain strength and calm sensitive bladder nerves. For many women, the Kegel8 Ultra 20 can be a game changer for several reasons. Firstly, it helps in the prevention and treatment of incontinence. Whether you're dealing with urinary or fecal incontinence, regular Kegel exercises can help strengthen your pelvic floor, providing better bladder and bowel control. Secondly, it can enhance your sexual health. With strong pelvic floor muscles, you can experience heightened sexual sensations and improved orgasmic function benefiting both you and your partner. It can also help prevent or manage pelvic organ prolapse. By regularly using Kegel8 Ultra 20, you can reduce the risk of pelvic organs descending and pressing against the vagina. It's also a fantastic postpartum recovery tool. After childbirth, your pelvic muscles may be weakened, but with the 12-week postpartum strengthening program offered by Kegel8, you can restore muscle tone and prevent long-term issues like incontinence and prolapse. Additionally, Kegel8 Ultra 20 is beneficial for menopausal and postmenopausal women. Hormonal changes during menopause can weaken the pelvic floor muscles, but regular exercise with Kegel8 can help manage symptoms and improve overall pelvic health. Kegel8 Ultra 20 offers tailored workouts with preset programs. With Physio Amanda Savage's 12-week programs, you can customize the exercises based on your needs and comfort levels. Plus, our patented design allows you to visualize your muscles moving, even if you can't feel them. This visual feedback helps re-educate your brain, allowing you to regain control where you need it most. Say goodbye to leaks and looseness and hello to control and improved sensation.